How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone and when it becomes impossible to do so as well. So let's begin. So to recover your deleted photos, you can first head over to the Photos app. So if you've deleted your photos, swipe down and there you will see the recently deleted section under Utilities. Tap on it, go through your verification, and there you should find all the recently deleted photos and videos. So check if they are available here, and you can just check the recently deleted album, and if the photo is still there, you can recover it like this. You can just go there, tap on the recover button on the bottom right, and then recover it. If not, you can then go back from here. You can then check on your iCloud as well. Check on any cloud backup if the photos there, such as Google Photos or iCloud. If they are there, you can back it up from there. Or if not, if you don't find it on your backup, and if you don't find it on your recently deleted, that means that you will not be able to recover your photos. And that's it, guys. That's basically it for the video. I hope this answered your question and also to find the photo. Thanks for watching and bye bye.